National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Cook County in north central Texas until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:13 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Thackerville, or 8 miles south of Marietta, moving south at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Gainesville around 7:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Lindsay around 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Valley View. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 490 and 503. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The current time is 7:16 p.m. Central Daylight Time. You are listening to NOAA All Hazards Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service, station WXK-22, serving the Sherman-Denison listening area. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Cook County in north.